pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Okay guys, so I'm going to do an updated version of washing your brushes. This is how my brushes pile up. I put them in this container next to my vanity, and I want to show you guys how I wash my brushes. The first thing you need to do, I would use the kitchen sink because you don't have to bend over and it won't hurt your back as much. You do not want to put your brushes in the sink. I'm going to grab my brush pad. This is a brush pad. I don't really use that one. There's another one in here and I want to find it. Have like a double sink, you could lay it in the middle on that part, it would be easier. Otherwise you can lay it on the bottom of the sink, but you're gonna have to use this a certain way. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some Palmolive. I use dish soap. I'm gonna put that on the pad. I'm gonna get this water running over here, and then I'm gonna take my brush. This one here is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH03. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wet it. Now you don't want to wet down to here. It's very rare that you're going to use the brush all the way up to here. So you're going to dip it into the soap and begin to move this around. You can wet it a little bit more if you think it needs it. You can also rinse that off and go back. And continue to scrub until the water gets clean. Now, at times, I will take this and pinch the brush down because I don't want the water backing up. Now, it's ideal if you can hang your brushes upside down, that would be great. But if not, you don't have one of those tools to do that, or one of those stands rather, you're going to want to make sure that you squeeze the water out, okay? And lay it flat. So let's see. We are good to go here. There's a little bit of soap left, but that's okay. I'm going to squeeze my brush. Get all of that out. Lay it flat. And move on to the next one. This is an eye brush here. Very, very gently under the water. And you might want to change your water pressure so you don't put too much. Clean off the pad. Go back down. As you can see, the brush is clear now. There's just a tiny bit of soap left in it. Then lay it flat and move on to the next one. This is a bling brush. And we're just going to vigorously rub it on the pad. There's a lot in here, as you can see, so I've got to make sure I get it out. But again, I don't want to ruin my brush. Never immerse your brushes in water. That is the worst thing that you can do. They will break up, and you'll have to buy more brushes sooner rather than later. Okay, as you can see, it's coming clean. I want to see how much I've got left in here, so I cleaned that off. There's a little bit left. Okay. As you can see, we're good to go. Now we can lay this one flat. There's no excess water in it, and move on. And you're going to do the same thing for every type of brush that you have. When you don't see the color anymore, you're good to go and you can move on.
Okay, so I put these two videos together because on the first video that I made, I did not get the chance to show you guys, well, it just wasn't in focus how I was pinching the brush. So I went ahead and took another video as I was doing more brushes so you guys could see that. Now that you have got the concept of what we need to do to clean our brushes, to clean our sponges you can immerse in water. You just have to make sure you wring them out super well. And again, I use like Palmolive or Dawn or something like that. But there are different types of brushes that you may wonder how you get them clean. So that's why I'm kind of just grabbing one of pretty much every type of different brush here for you. So you just get the idea of what I do. Really, like you see right there, the Real Technique brush. I don't want the water to back up in the brush. So I get it wet, I put the soap on it on the pad, and then I pinch it to rinse it off so this way no water goes back up inside the brush and breaks it down. So if you have any questions for me at all whatsoever, would you put them down in the comments below? I'm going to let this video play for another few minutes so you can see if there's a type of brush in here that I am cleaning that you're wondering about that maybe will help you. Alright guys, thanks so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!